Hello everyone, this is Zenken's recording and playing Risk of Rain 2. Sorry for that terrible intro, I'm still trying to figure out what to say ever since I came back to YouTube. Now, Risk of Rain 2 is one of my favorite games because of its, how do I explain this? Of its expansive world and multiple opportunities to do, including the enemies. So, I will explain while we play. Just in case to anyone that does not know, there is a panel behind your drop pad, whatever. It's called a fuel rate. You can obviously use it while pressing Q. You use it. I don't know what the hell it does because I barely use it. I only use it like once. But it's pretty cool, and you could like have it just to switch over to something else, like something better, but I don't really care. Alright, so there's also chests. There's chests around here where you could like buy it, but you have to kill monsters first, like these snake people. You have to kill these snake people, these crabs. You have to kill a lot of things to get money. Guys, these goons out here. Get out here. I'm just gonna run over here really quick. Don't mind me. So these ice crabs, like once they die, they'll freeze like the area around them, the surrounding area, which is pretty cool, but not cool for us. You know what I'm saying? Some chests. Gasoline. Ow. Oh yeah, there's also these things that you can find all around here where it'll just give you money. Free 99. Get out here. Get out here. Sending in your goons. Fall for it. Very interesting. Hey, get out of here. Okay, let's see what's inside. Get back. Reduces incoming damage while sprinting. Nice! Oh yeah, there's also drones in this game for you to fight, for you. There's like healing drones, missile drones, gun drones. Drones are basically my favorite thing in this game. Oh, I forgot, the most important thing to mention is that if you look in the top right bar, there's a bar where it says easy. Yeah, throughout the game, the more you play it, the harder it becomes, and there's multiple stages that I forgot the names of, but easy to medium to hard to like insane. You get the idea. It just gets really difficult. Whoa, bro. Don't jump at me. I got my gunner drones. Gotta kill these crabs. Alright, me and my drone and I are unstoppable. We are invincible. And also one thing I like about this game is that it's world that you could just venture out. It's one of the things I like about this game. You could just adventure and find all these cool things, which is practically what the game is. You have to venture out in the world to find a lot of cool things and for it to survive, which I do like. But right now, this is like my first year coming back to this game. I haven't played this game in like a year, I think. Go on to my interactions. So I might be like a little rusty. So don't hate on me. Great. Stay back. Sending in your goons after me, huh? Stay back. I warned you. Very cool. High damage also hits class enemies. Tornado recharges. Oh my god, that's okay. Okay, let's explore down here first before we move on. Okay, so that building right over there, with that little totem right there, you see, or whatever it's called, it's where you summon a boss for it to go to a different planet or world. So you gotta defeat a boss, so you gotta summon it while pressing E. You gotta press E to summon the boss, and you gotta kill the boss if you want to go to a different world. Which you gotta, because you know there's a lot of limited stuff to each world. Get out of here. And also, all your drones, just in case you're wondering, once you defeat the boss, all your drones and turrets you buy are like always with you, so nothing to worry about there if you're wondering. Free 99. Oh, thank God I made that jump. Thank God. Pay a shrine? I don't really want to pay a shrine though. Gracias. Okay, there's that. Let's get it. So, something that'll heal me, gain 25 max out of it. Send in your goons after me. Get some of these. There we go. Just gotta keep on exploring. Oh yeah, there's also these things where you're able to trade some of your items. Like it's random, like you'll choose like one of your items randomly. So, I kind of suggest not doing that. Oh god, hey, don't hit me. Big block thing. Oh god. That hurt. That hurt. Alright, I think we're ready to go here. Alright. Oh, come on. Why this? Don't care. Just give me whatever. Come on. Why this? Why do you gotta give me this? Get out of here. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck off. No, I did something bad. I mean, piss off. Keep my distance. This thing could pack a fucking punch. Oh no. Oh no, no, thank you. Oh my god. My gunner drone ain't doing shit. No, 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 thank you. I keep on misplacing it. Piss off. It's almost dead. It's almost dead. No! Oh! Oh my god, that dealt so much. No, no time. No time. Fuck off. No. Please no. Please no. Please no. I came so far. No! No! That's stupidly crazy! That is way too overpowered! That's so overpowered! Oh my god! Piss off! Piss off, please. I don't like you. You're a big, rocky thing. Woo! Okay, there we go. Okay. What can I buy here? It's like shopping. Toys R Us. Don't mind if I... Ah! Oh. $3.99. What's this? Seems to be like after taking damage. Okay. Offer strength. No, hell no. So this you get like goods, not good stuff, but like random stuff for offering your blood, which I do not like. I don't want. I don't really want to. I want to save my stuff for everything around here. Nothing really. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Jumping human orb. Okay, yeah, that I need. There we go. Oh, I forgot. Patrols for running. Okay, now we know where the totem is, and we also got a drone. Nice. It's not open. Some more stuff over here. And of course these guys got over here. I mean, where's the free 99 over in here? Okay. Cleanses all negative effects. Not really good, but okay. Ah, shit. Soft little crabs. No, no, thank you. No, thank you. No, let's come back. Let's come back. Okay. Maybe, yeah, let's get this. Oh no! Donate. Detonate enemies on kill. Okay, bet. Oh no, for you! You don't like that! There we go. I'll do that later. Let's get up here. What can I find? Okay, not. Get piss off. I think so. $3.99. Piss off. There we go. That wasn't so hard. That's what she said. Okay. It's off. Alright, let's fight this boss right here. Please do not let it be that squid, that fly. You gotta be kidding me! There we go. Doesn't do shit. Oh, never mind, it does. Kill some of these guys. Oh! These guys are annoying. It's off. No, no, thank you. No, 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 no. Oh no. You know, like. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, thank God. I'll just keep on doing that from now on. It's almost dead! Yes! And... No, no. Oh no! Oh no, no, no! Let's go. And they also, whenever you kill a boss, they drop something that I like. Well, I'm ready to get the hell out of here. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. What is over there? Hold on. Oh my god, that's another healing drone. Well, that's a healing drone. Wait, hold on. There's more stuff around here. Retaliate in a burst of razors on taking damage. Okay, that will do greatly. Oh no! Oh yeah, you already probably know this, guys, but you can take fall damage, so that's why I always keep on teleporting. Probably already knew that anyway, but I don't really care. Checking if there's anything else I need to buy. What? No? No? Nothing else wants to be bought? Okay. Alright then, let's just head home. Well, somewhere else at least. Abandoned something. Aquatic. We got some of these over here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Sending in your goons. Jesus Christ, we're already in medium. Oh my god, there's a lot. Gotta keep moving around. Got some of these items. Oh, what should I get? Oh, look, it's... Ah. Should fight these guys first. There we go. I should have probably not done that. Oh, I should have used it on this guy. Oh no. I'll take you. You know, like. I'll take you. You know, like. It's off. Oh, I see. You are dying. Sorry. More health. Gracias. Oh, I found the teleporter. Alright, now it's time to explore what else this place has to offer. Okay, nice. Bust some fungus. Bust, man. Come on, teleport. Fuck off. No. I don't want your charity. Look at it run. Oh no. Oh no. You know, like. Know what this does. There we go. That's how we do it. Yeah. That's how we do it around here. Maybe I'll like throw a boomerang right there. Oh, I should have used that. I'm getting more money. You guys see that right there? Something on there. I'm gonna keep exploring. I really want to get more drones. Okay, this chest. These chests will hit me. Terrible Russian accent. I'm gonna actively heal outside of danger. Okay, then. I at least want to search around here before I go exploring to a different place. Okay. Not looking bad. Not looking bad. Getting some more stuff. Screw it, man. Just give me that. I should really do something about this guy. Don't really like him. Don't like him a lot. But he's dying really quickly. Stupid idiot. Isn't that goddamn arrow range too long? What a fool. Jesus Christ, we're already moving too hard. Okay. Eh. No. Get out of here. What should I get? The banner! The war banner is amazing. What else is there for me to buy? Dead snakes. I think that's all. Yeah, it should be all. How much stuff to get anyway? Oh well. Time to go kill the boss. Hey, get out of here. Piss off. Piss off, please. Piss off, pretty, please. No. Get away! Sorry, stop. Not you again. 2 of them? 3, 4, 5. Gotta be kidding me. Híjole. Get out of here. Y'all are so annoying. Get out of here. Already killed one. Oh my god, there's an ice crab already. Oh god, that dealt a whole bunch of health. That took away a whole bunch of health. Piss off. No, no, come on. There we go. Yeah, the war banner. Let's go. Piss off. Yeah. Came out victorious in the battle. Oh my god. And of course these guys. Please, not the magic. The stone titan. Piss off. Oh god. Oh. 37. Oh god! Oh god! I wish I had more healing turrets! Jesus. I need to get flexing on me, bro. Oh no, no! Me no like, me no like. You know, like, the hell out of here. Okay, this guy's easy by far. Should I at least go over here? Let's gonna try to use this laser beam. Yep, called it. Woo! Woo! Don't think so. Okay, piss off now. You're getting annoying. Bye bye. Not dead yet? Come on! Slow try. Kill me. Adios! Jesus! Piss off! Okay, we're in hard now. Great. Boost health and regeneration. That's also what she said as well. Okay, get out of here, you damn snakes! Great, more snakes. Get out of here! Get out, you goddamn crabs! I am victorious once again. Oh god, I gotta crack my knuckles. That's how easy this is. But it is gonna get fucking more difficult. No, my healing drone! Leave my healing drone alone, god damn it! Hey, hey! Piss off. Oh god! You little imps! So these guys are called imps. They're hella annoying. There's even a boss of the bosses. There's a boss imp. It's hella annoying. Motherfuckers can teleport. What I really need now are drones. I need more drones. God, there's a lot more chests around here. Super expensive. What happened to free 99? I thought I had a discount. Get out of here. Where are your goons? More of the imp goons. Get out of here. Ah! Maybe it wasn't a bad idea to get rid of this thing. One thing that... Oh shoot. One thing that gets rid of other things. Other bad things. Ah! Get your goons away from me. Can't touch this. Woohoo! Get out of here. No, start running. Okay, let's go. Let's go. More golems? Get out of here. Get out of here. Down, golems. Out. There's so many snakes. So many snakes. I'm a snake phobic. God damn it. I'm American as well. I'm always prepared. Oh my god, but always never prepared for a golem fight over and over again. Get out of here. Sitting in goons. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? A bison, I heard? Oh my, there are bison. There are bison here. Híjole! Fuck off! I don't like bison. Guys are evil. Motherfucker has 3 eyes! You have 3 eyes! More drones! Oh my god! My dreams are coming true. Got to have a drone army. Jesus Christ. More bison! Yay! Just perfect. I should really get something that'll really benefit. That'll greatly benefit from my damage. Start 3 fucking bison. I'm out of here. Three bison! I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Is that another drop? That's a turret, I think. Get out of here. Nope, it's just another dead snake. Of course it is. Jesus Christ. Great, turn very hard. Get out of here. Oh my god. Yes! We will make a stand! We will make a stand! These idiots out of here. Look at them! They're no more. They are no more. I got 4 drones. How powerful could I get? Okay, for a second there, it looked like a fucking maraca. Of course! Chance to hit another war banner. Nice. Oh, I found this. God damn it, I should really keep on exploring. Get more stuff. Get out of here, god damn it! Oh, what should I get? What should I get? What should I get? You choose. Drops a healing orb. Okay. So that means I get more? Oh my god, there's a whole bunch of those floating fire guys. What will I get? I get nothing, god damn it. Hello. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Give me this. Piss off, god damn it. What's with you? I didn't do anything bad. Come on. Just leave me alone. Goddamn imps. Jesus. There's more stuff right here. I guess that. Gain a temporary barrier on kill. Nice. Just got amazing drones. Drones are amazing. God! There's so much bison! There's so much bison! Jesus Christ! Crazy! Oh my god! Out of here! I'm out of here! Y'all are crazy! Jesus Christ! I just went commando! Piss off! Who I need to fight? I swear to God, if it's... Yep, I told you, there's an imp overlord. Fucking told you. Piss off, please? Oh, God! No! He's hurting me! Piss off! No, no, no. Baby maracas. Piss off, please. I don't like you. You're fail. Jesus Christ. You are very annoying. It's hell. It's literally hell. So this is what hell is. Great. Great. God. Oh, no. Piss off. No, no thank you. No thank you. Stay stuck there. Just leave me alone! Why is there so many of you? I need to deal more better damage. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I'm going fucking Rambo. Fuck it. Piss off. I am still alive. Surprisingly. Oh my god, bro. Oh no! Thank god. No, thank you. Jesus Christ! Piss off! Do not get close! Oh god. Jesus! No! Get this golem out of here! Make it a stand! Jesus. I do not like... Oh, God! No, no, thank you. He's dead. Oh my god, finally, get out of here. Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna make a part 2 later. Jesus, that was so crazy. That was just crazy. Cannot believe I was actually able to live. Oh my god. I'll make a part 2 later. For now, I just gotta eat. See y'all later. Late.